No, we're not pushing it really. We're not going to perspective. We're not going to part. We're not going to perspective.
A man can't kidnap somebody out there like this.
Yes, you are agree, but we're not going to part. We're not going to part. We're talking the simpler part. We're talking the simpler part. Police stop you, and you don't stop. You do not have no right to fire no shot in the vehicle. Take your license plate number. Every license plate assigned to a person. Every license plate assigned to a person. A person, that means it's assigned.
That means me and me going on your car and me a car you. You carry me and me not tell you strap.
So why you put the gun in it? Take out the gun. You carry passenger then.
Yeah.
But you don't know of that.
And you don't know.
But police stop you say nah stop.
Why you not stop?
Because you run taxi and you want to stop.
I fuck you at that. Because you run taxi and you don't want to stop.
You know?
That's why you don't stop.
Then gentleman, come on man. That's the facts man. I know me still do not say when police stop you, you don't stop. I know me not say that you know. But what I am saying to you,
yeah, what you said to me?
they're not supposed to fire shot in the car.
I mean, police and me tap and you know blood clot tap and me see 4 man in that time I run it down and you know tap.
Yes, Juna.
Bush shot in that pussy if I want to make it.
The climate at Jamaica, anywhere over the world, it's when a police in the Queen uniform and stop you, your duty is to stop. It's if you drive off, you break the law.
We know that.
Right?
We know.
No. You don't have none of the car.
What?
You car straight. And the police stop you. Why you don't stop? You see the youth are dead, they get shot. I drive a car, starting happen. And I him is to blame, not the police.
Alright, yeah, we all agree with that. I mean, I said something to you. No, argument, no, leave me, I say something to you now. I say something to you. No, I'm saying something to you. I'm saying something to you. Did you ever encounter you drive on the road, don't it?
Who?
You drive on the road.
Yeah.
Remember the last time I had a driver come from out by Marcus Garvey driver come?
Yeah, I come around
and we reach where we take on North Street.
Yeah.
And we turn coming on Rose Lane, the police stop her. What was the reason why the police stopped her? If you remember, just explain.
No, I don't remember.
Alright, I can't tell you. The police stopped me and said, when I was turning the corner coming onto Rose Lane, I did not put on my blinker light. And I turned to him and said, officer, I put on my blinker light, so I don't know what really happened. See, he goes a bump, and him check, him see the front bulb now work, but him see the side bulb on the side of the car, I blink, and the back one, I blink. When him said to me, when him come said to me, the next one is stand up over the corner, when him come said to me,
I don't remember.
Him come and say, alright boss. Sister, you use the blinker, but the bulb will blow. Go on.
Alright, I'm going to come back to you with the same argument now. No, your blinker not work. Being in the car, the police stop you. And your driveway. At the same thing like how the police stop the car, you know, and him not stop, you know. At the same thing, you know. I see him get a turn and the indicator not work. And the policeman stop him and say, boss, you make the right turn there and the indicator not working. And your driveway.
Alright, I mean I said something against you again now. Every police.
You must say
yes. I said yes. And I'm going to say something to you again. Every police will stop you out on the road. And you're straight. You don't do nothing at all. Him stop you and say, I'll do a random check.
Yeah.
And when you give him say, give me your papers and your license.
Yeah.
When you hand him your paper and your license, you see him start walking on your car. You see him start pick all kind of sitting. And I say, boy, this and that, and say that, and I have to find something to get a ticket for. You never meet up in an encounter there?
Yeah, me meet up, but that different from driving.
No, I'm not asking that question. Did you ever meet up in that encounter?
Yes.
You don't do nothing at all. You car straight. Listen to me, man. Just because we reason. You do nothing at all. You don't break the law. Your car straight. Your papers, everything right. And police stop you and police say, you have to look for find something to give you a ticket for. Okay. Under those circumstances, when you know Jamaican police is like that.
Right over the world, police like that. Right over the world, police.
No, not right over the world.
Right over
Right
there.
over the world,
All right.
police.
You know some of them
That is not that like that.
break all this off to get a ticket.
Look.
Foreign police do that.
One, you see people don't understand the law of them country and certain things of them country. One, you see, we as big people, we are not. You see like how we sit up on the top? You see like how we sit up on the top? See, both of us are speaking ignorant of the thing.
You know the reason.
You got the reason, which is this. It can't come through, we never educated enough. We are idiot to the law.
To the law, to the reason.
No. Anywhere in the world, what I'm trying to say. Me tell my opinion, say no. Say look, you say police stop to start, when you're on the steering. Stop, nobody drive your face. I can't say a police are stopping for. The moment you drive away, your life in jeopardy from the moment you step on the gas and a drive and go and let the police. Your life in jeopardy. The police no more shoot you. You can drive the car, you can bounce down people and kill people for that. The car can turn over,
That
you
is
lose
true.
your life.
That is true.
Which, if you just stop, that wouldn't happen.
That's why me say again, why the government say certain things, and yet still the force do not carry out what the government say. The government say, do not chase no car catch the license plate. But why them continue chasing car?
Yeah, you know why they can't chase in the car? You know they can't chase in the car? Police work is a very hard work. It's a very hard work. Look, Juna. There are some scene, there are some scene as a policeman. I him see the car. And he don't stop the car, and he don't chase on the car. And when you take a stop down this, in here, say the same car. Good as shoot up the place. First thing this is the thing I'm going to say now. What them going to say? What them going to say?
If them stop that car,
Police work too hard. Police work too hard, brother.
you right agree. Don't turn over yourself.
They are police. When me and them are friend. And the man said, China, I'm telling you, police work hard, don't fuck, man.
Police work hard,
Ah,
I
no
agree.
fuck.
I'm very, very scary.
The man said,
The money may is sweet, but it's scary.
the man said, look. Yeah, come on. The man said, the man drive patrol. See? How when you look into this car, the car don't look right. The car is not dark up and it look right. He must stop the car. The driver not stop the car. And you say, the car, me not left it today. Me not left it today. The man them think as the boy said.
Something
that
like
car,
illegal.
something like something illegal.
That's why the man think, yeah, this
Yeah,
first
and the man have said, everything start come across their mind. Come join it, man.
Policeman, you don't know. Say when he call him back up for him, see the man and when he see the man and the woman and say, Taylor, look there,
See the man have gone there.
see man have gone there. And when
Junior, you hear what the man said? The man said he called back up and thing and he said he nah left the car. You see when he come. They all want to shoot the car like somebody a hold them.
yeah,
Want to shoot you mean. And like somebody a hold them. And so the car stop Junior. Who in the car?
police.
Which police? 2 women in the car back full of picnic.
Man.
The car back full of picnic. What me say? Full of picnic. So the man has said, pick it that too.
Yeah, but Turner,
And
as
carry
you
on,
used
carry on,
earlier,
motion.
as you said earlier, you never know, but the law will pass.
You never know.
Okay, and he's a driver,
So
don't
no watch news.
He's a
no
driver,
listen to
don't, he's a
news.
driver. Don't come bias, man, but watch
I
news,
am
man.
not being biased.
Because everybody watch news, baby, and everybody going early enough to catch the news.
Him not read up.
And
You're
everybody
not
listen to
ready.
those callers.
You're not
Come
ready.
on, man,
You're not ready.
come
Listen.
on, come on.
Take off your glass.
More time,
alright,
more time
hold
certain
on.
things
Next
pass,
thing,
you do not
next thing.
hear.
Next, you must hear.
You hear, man.
You hear.
Taxi
Because
you run. You hear.
exactly, your taxi friend them tell
Dog,
you
you
say.
hear, you know. You know.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, what?
Hello, listen.
You're first taxi man, you see. But then in an unknown things will affect you as a driver.
No, that
Every taxi
no.
driver doesn't know that.
Talking about your phone, allow them say them past February. February, March, April, May, and June we now, see?
We can't have
Me, you messing the blood.
And guess what? You must know because taxi man have their WhatsApp group where everything
You
said
mean
that
right
time.
too?
But you
Yeah,
can
WhatsApp
say you
group.
still not get the
You
point.
must know.
You still not get the point.
What you say?
You still not get the
police
point.
should have come to you and
You
say,
still not getting the point. The law pass you must have your earphone or your ears
Yes.
to use your phone.
You can't get over that one.
Say the police.
The law pass you must use your earpiece in your
Alright.
ears. Don't them tell you that? Yes or no?
But you have a phone in your hand.
You have a phone,
You
yeah.
are saying
I said
a phone in
you
your
over
hand.
more than that phone like that, just saying.
You have it on your foot. You have it
Up
on
to
your
now, we
foot.
can't agree with each
You don't
other.
agree with
Alright.
nobody.
Alright, again, before them going further, them say,
You don't agree with
you know the police woman up on me and tell me, say, the phone must stay up on the dashboard. You don't have it nowhere from me. But yes, still, the law say, if you have your phone on the dashboard, it is a charge. So where must you have it?
No, maybe she's unaware. But I let the law say,
No, but
anyway where you can
no,
see
but
phone.
even the Android radio you have in there. You return on there and you have music and play.
And I'm going alone in a second.
Radio. Yeah.
So you can be on the big old screen when you talk.
Yeah. For they tap me, you know. And when you say, you know, say you $15,000 track, you say, officer, do what? The man say, well, he say, he distract you.
Exactly.
He can't distract you, that's a cause accident for. Meanwhile, you are driving, you are going to penetrate this. And you know what?
Well, the law is the law, the law part. The law is the law and the law part. But the unjust part about it is this, sir.
What unjust about it,
The unjust part about it that, sir, the law must not go for the minors alone.
And the free minor.
The law must not go for the minors alone. Why? When inspector and superintendent and big sergeant drive out of them vehicles and phone of them ears, why you don't have a constable come up to them and stop and say, Mr. Soap, I'm going to give you a ticket for using your phone.
Hey, look.
That is the right way it must go about. You don't not pressure the poor people alone. And yes, still, you were going on and give people tickets. For that to them say that is wrong. You are break it and I do it and nobody not give you no ticket. That's not right. It's not right. It's not right.
You know, say me, you can't lock up the superintendent and all of them. You know, say me, you can't lock them up.
But nobody not lock them up for real.
We not do it.
Nobody not lock them up for
Hey,
real.
this is citizen arrest.
Who are lock them up?
Liar tell.
Who are lock them up? Everybody are running
Liar
out.
tell.
Citizen
I run
arrest.
out.
Oh, yes, the citizen arrest. I want wicked arrest.
Then you the put up a citizen arrest for the policeman and say what now?
What?
You gonna know a policeman do something bad and you gonna put up a citizen arrest for him.
I go on to your life, I'm going to jump out the fire, I'm going to tell him friend him to come kill you. But you can't lock him up.
Let me say the whole thing is unjust, my youth. It's not level. It's not level. The pay field not level. The minister them can drive with them phone and talk, no ticket at all, and then pass it out.
Old people
Why is it go like that?
Old
Put them
people
in a talk conscious
old
thing,
people
man.
that say why you donkey a roll. For a donkey
No.
say the world no level.
Yes.
Say my child roll if you level it.
Like
You
I
don't
just
want
said,
more than
it's
that.
just unfair. It is just unfair.
Alright, I'm going to agree with you, but who speak out against the unjust that you're talking?
Nobody. Nobody.
Who speaks out against?
There are a
Nobody.
lot of people, when they speak
Wait.
out,
When?
sweep on them up.
Switch back.
You know Jamaica say, man, stop going to the man.
Then that's why you have to talk with sense, man.
Against that.
No, we're not to talk with sense, we are talk the right and the reality of our country.
No, but your right is also biased. Because your right is believing that some things can work and some things don't. If it works, must work right class report.
My right is this. No, the argument we are talking about, my right is this. No police are supposed to fire a gunshot in a car and kill no picnic. See? That's not right. And the next thing again, if you give a man a ticket, say him not have on a seatbelt or him do something on the road, it don't really say a cast life thing or it's dangerous to anybody, put anybody else in a danger. You can't have little leniency upon the people them and say talk to them because that is what you in the force, you know. in the force to secure and protect. See? So me when I'm out the road and do something wrong, that doesn't say if you come arrest me and carry me or throw me in a cell. You come to me and you talk to me and say, whoa. Come on, shake up yourself, man. When you do wrong, man, you want you? Something wrong?
Well, I don't tell you. Well, no. How much time police stop you and talk to you? Well, answer my question. How much time police stop you and talk to you?
As police stop you, they have a ticket them want you.
No, you when police stop you and talk to you without give you a ticket. Well, no. How much time police stop you and talk to you without give you a ticket?
As police stop your ticket, them a give you. Police stop you, them a give you a ticket.
How much time police stop you and talk to you?
Them a give you a ticket.
Come on, Jonah, man. How much time police stop you and talk to you without give you a ticket?
Just give a ticket, sir. You know, I do nothing. Then just give a ticket.
Police just give you a ticket so I'm called for.
Bias, that's a bias.
Lie.
Allow me to tell.
You still not
Allow me to tell.
You still not answer my question.
Police just give you a ticket and call for.
You still
No.
any ticket me
Lie.
get, me deserve it.
But I say you shouldn't get it because you don't love alcohol chance.
Yes.
Kind of technical.
No man, police stop you, everything, your papers right. We just there talk about that while ago, you know. And you admit and say yes, that's true. So why now when you matter now you're biased?
No, me never.
Police never give you a ticket and call for yet.
No. You must come into offense, Jonah.
So the phone ticket is an uncalled for ticket.
Yes.
It is enough. But why is it uncalled for? Weren't you using the phone? I have the phone, which you last year you're not supposed to have.
You need to take a phone
Yes.
in your hand.
So you know,
You need to look on the phone screen.
And the bias
So you know,
You need to look on the phone screen.
Alright, then show me a look on the phone screen and get a ticket for you.
Yes.
Oh, no, we know how you use it.
The last year.
So in the eyes to use and use the leniency to sister boy. Yeah, you know, big man. Mr. say you have 2 earpieces in your ears, you know. Let me say basically if you even you use a phone, you don't go your ears to distract you.
No.
You have in your
No,
earpiece.
but yeah, look on it, this chat.
I never specify which part you must put the phone. The last year nothing have the phone.
Well, me never know of that.
Jonah, no sister man.
Me never.
No
I
sister
still tell the
Jonah.
man say me no know, I never know.
Jonah, no sister man. No sister man. Jonah, no sister man.
Yeah. When you get the ticket, when you get the ticket today, when you get the ticket today, me go ask someone and say, me never know, say, no, I lie me I tell. When me get the ticket, when the police stop me and say, I give me ticket. You know me run though? We run going to my lawyer office. Same time, I call up my lawyer and bring him out at the front of the car with the police them and him come and introduce himself to the police them.
You don't get the ticket again.
No, we get the ticket. But we bring the lawyer come to justify and tell me if it is right or when we do is wrong. He said, cool man, man, the lawyer himself look upon the police and say, officer, what you say? If you have the ticket, if you have the phone in his lap or in his hand, that's a ticket. And the officer say, yes, that's a ticket. He say, oh, I didn't know of that. I'm going to check. And the lawyer said that. What about me? I'm just saying, you're not talking, you're not biased. You're not talk biased.
The lawyer biased too. For the lawyer, no. But what? Me have a lawyer to tell lie for me.
Hey, Jonah, police work hard.
Me have a lawyer to tell
There
lie
was
for
a
me.
brother named Fagati, you see?
Lawyer never know nothing
Hold
yet.
up. Me I did a police by the name Fagati. My Fagati was friend. And my Fagati drive. I was a little old man on a bicycle with a bag. And ride. And Fagati spin the car in the road. And come back. And check the van. Because see nothing, you know. So they drive off. Mr. Fagati, what the blood ticket? I think that the man the fuck. And you see the man, he must say, Turner, remember me tell you, say, for my mother, me see, and my mind tell me, say, the search, they are searcher for the same thing that I could have lose my life. The man say, I go in a seat and you see 2 boys, you know. Sit up on the wall, you know, and 2 boys say, Fagati. The police working upon him. My friend I go, and he say, that's what my friend. And the man say, you know, sir, search the boy them. I said, in case it has a chop. This is me, man. Fuck that. This when turn around and go, so. A bam, in blood cleat here, you know. Where will him say, and then the blood to water him and in front of it.
Why do I shoot after them?
But you see, if you see the boy, them, you know, you suspect them, you know, and then you joke them before and follow in mind, that wouldn't happen, you know. But you just coming like, you see the same boy, the shooting with the same boy, they were driving. You know, it's the same scenario, but it's the same scenario can happen to the man, them, you know, to the policeman. And
One question, may I ask you a question?
Better before, I experience it before, you know. he might use our fight to walk on the future and to save his life.
But you know, say it's illegal to tint up your car?
Your private car, taxi it illegal. But your private car, it can't drive like midnight. Once the police stop you, wind down your window.
It is illegal to tilt up your car. Okay.
As a taxi.
Alright, me hear the part, me hear. Is it illegal for a taxpayer money to buy a motor vehicle, the police driver, them tilt up and
Police
tilt
alone
up?
drive motor vehicle.
No, them tilt the police vehicle, tilt.
I think that about
Yeah, the tilt we are talking about, the tilt.
Well, I know.
And tilt we are talking about now.
Let me say something.
Until she does talk about it
Let me
now.
talk about it.
It is illegal for a police to tilt up them vehicle?
Let me tell you.
Yes or no? I just want to hear yes or
You
no.
want an explanation? You just want yes or no?
So
Yes.
is it the policeman private vehicle?
No, I talk
Government vehicle.
service vehicle.
Government.
Is it illegal for them to tilt it up?
Which service vehicle
Which
tinted up?
service vehicle you
No
say
man,
tilt up?
that is fine. Some think of it. Come on,
Yes,
mix.
this is our man. This is our man. That's why Jamaica can't better.
You know,
That's why Jamaica can't better, man.
You and me, fine.